Hello from Slovenia again. I had some fun time last few weeks with my family, so I kind of published some videos from maybe some time back that I filmed just in case. And today I have 12 by 24 inch canvas, and my 2 videos ago I did some flip cups inspired by amazing Kathleen from Cos Creations. She does an amazing job with those. I'm not close, but I like them, so I will give them a go again. I will dirty pour my paints into those little, what is this, 2-ounce cups. 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that I should have enough. Maybe magic 7. Let's do that. And I have some blues. This is indigo by Artist Colors. I love this indigo because it's dark bluish with the green undertone, or how can I say, some indigos are more on the violet side, and probably that is the right indigo, but okay. And I have bronze by Amsterdam, light gold mixed with some ore by these little piggy pigments. This is titanium white mixed with Vallejo pearl medium. This is turquoise green, cerulean blue, or cyan. This is cyan blue dark. This is some metallic turquoise by, I don't know, this is Ara paints from Europe, and this is Indentrine blue by Amsterdam. And I will of course go with blues, and I think the last 3 or 2 will be kind of a sand and some sea and some sky. And I said that I will dirty pour my paints in. That means that I will pour into the cups from up high, and this one will get this indigo and this one on the bottom, and some Indentrine blue from up high. And here I will add some pearl white here, and then Indentrine blue and some cyan, and cyan here too. Don't know if I don't want a lot of white in there. Want that part to be kind of dark. Okay. And here I will add with this Indentrine blue and some of the dark one. Okay, the cups look really pretty. Look at this one. Whoop. Have to find the... Love it. Okie doke, so let's clean my space a little bit. And of course I forgot to tell you when I was talking about my inspiration. I talked about Kathleen, but I didn't about Nate Bright. He does an amazing seascape, landscape paintings too, with this technique and some palette knife embellishments. Oop, have to place them down as they were. Okay, I will pour some of this dark indigo here and here where I want those two cups to go. One and two. And here I will add some of this Indentrine blue. And here some cyan blue. Just a second. But I wanted to pour this out first. I like that a lot. So next to, oop, this wasn't a nice one. I think that I want to tilt that at this point. Just to see how this look like. I need to tilt this off. Okay, let's leave this for now. Here I will pour just the white on the bottom. Not a fan of this part. What if I pour another cup here? I like this better, but still don't like. What I think it's kind of that it's too separated on 3 parts, and it kind of ruins my composition a little bit, but I don't know how to correct that. I don't know if this is better or not. You know, sometimes it's hard to let go of your expectations, but kind of think that it's much better now. And unfortunately, I will not be able to show it to you dry. If you want to see it, tell me in the comments and I can show it to you on the Wednesday video. But I will definitely play with those flip cups more because I love it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.